Now, why in Jesus' name does my forehead look this big?
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie, and today, as you can see, my brows are covered, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a drag makeup look, okay? One of my best friends texted me the other day. She was like, Coralie, you know, you should do videos that showcase more of your creativity on your channel. And I was like, you know what, you're right. You're very right. And I was like, everything she was saying, I was like, I agree, you know, you're right. So I figured, you know, drag makeup, a little more creative, a little more fun. So I figured I'd do that, and maybe that would be fun. Now, I'm going to apologize for this brow cover. It's not the first time I've covered my brows, but my glue stick is dry. Like, I had to spray it with water, and I feel as though it didn't give me like the glue stick. So like right here, it's like, oh child, the Facetune. Also, my eye is twitching. I've been studying all day, and it's 9 p.m., 9:30 p.m. right now. And so because I've been studying all day, like, can you see? Can you see? Oh my god, this is insane. I'm going to go crazy. As I said, I covered my brows. We're gonna go on to foundation. A little bit of the color corrector around the mouth and right underneath my eyes like this. That's the
Oh my god, what is that?
Why do I look so questionable half the time? It's the big ass forehead for me. It's also the overly, like, my fro is so big, you guys. I want a refund. I actually lowered my camera and my ring light because I always felt like it was a little too tall. I don't know, and now I feel like it's still a little taller, but it's like more eye level than it was before. So also this, if you see this little dot right here, I have no idea what this is. My mom also doesn't know what this is, and when I don't know what something is, I ask my mom. So there's that, okay? I have covered my brows before, but I've never done drag makeup. Like, I've never had to draw on eyebrows from nothing. But all day, every day, what I do is I draw eyebrows on notebooks and like agendas. When I was in class, oh girl, that's all I did. I did listen, but you know, when like the day was a little boring, I would just draw eyebrows on my notes or something. I kind of got really good at drawing eyebrows because that's all I would draw. So the issue here is not going to be to draw the eyebrows. It's going to be to draw them symmetrical and to draw them so they don't look crazy. You know what I mean? I hope you guys are doing great. I watched Lucifer. I love that show. I've loved Lucifer ever since season 2. Like, I've known about Lucifer since season 2. And season 5A just came out. And honestly, girl, honestly, I am so happy. It was really good. I watched it. It was really good. I'm not gonna spoil it for anyone because it's still early. I believe it's been out for a week, so I'm gonna let y'all have a little bit of time before I spoil the whole show on this channel. I feel like I need more coverage. Like, I'm a drag queen, you know? Like, I'm not no mere mortal. I'm really excited. Like, I've watched a lot of drag queens do their makeup, you know, whether it be on RuPaul's Drag Race. There's a channel in which like a lot of the drag queens would do their makeup, and I loved watching them do it. Like, they all do it so differently and they all do it so like greatly. Girl, I love me some drag queen makeup. And when you think about it, so many ways that we do makeup nowadays is like inspired or literally just stolen. Well, not stolen. Well, yeah, it's like a lot of it is inspired by drag queens, and you know, the extreme contouring for like face morphing and all that, like that was all the drag queens work. You know what I mean? Drag queens are notoriously known for like their extreme contours, so we're gonna go in today. So I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty's hand tool in the shade Light with this BH number 6 little marble brush, and girl, I am not gonna get shy. You're contouring the living Jesus out of this forehead. Ooh, this forehead is gonna be so bronze. God have mercy. Remember, this is a drag tutorial, so harsh edges. Oh my god, am I doing tricks? And also remember, most drag queens are men, and so they have a manly face structure that they more often than not are trying to soften. I have more feminine features to my face, so oh yeah, this is perfect. It's different. We're just, wait. Oh, this is giving drag, girl. There's so many iconic memes from RuPaul, you know, like
What the fuck is going on in here on this day?
Then there's what?
Girl, look how orange you look, girl.
That one's good. I like that one. We should rate drag queen moments. Okay. I never contour my nose. I'm not really good at that. This is everything I've ever wanted in my life. I love this. I love how exaggerated and over the top it is. I'm not gonna go too much over like that edge. I just want to make sure like right at the end and here is blended. This is not a tutorial. I feel like I have to emphasize this is not a tutorial. This is just like I'm showing you what I'm doing just so I can give you a little bit of insight on what the hell's going on. And don't worry about these being too sharp because we're gonna bake. I haven't baked in over like a year and a half. Like I have not baked. I don't bake. I'm enjoying this more than I thought I would. Like I was really tired today, but I'm really enjoying this right now. This is fun. For a concealer, I'm going to take the Too Faced Peach Concealer in Bisque. I'm not even gonna lie, this concealer sometimes gives me a little bit of trouble. Like it's a little hard to blend, so I'm kind of counting on the fact that it's hard to blend so I can really get like this whole drag effect from the product. You know what I mean? Remember, you don't need to be shy. Why am I acting like this is a tutorial? This is not a tutorial. I am not like a really experienced like drag queen. I actually haven't done drag ever before. This is my first time. I'm just living my best life right now. I have kind of a big forehead, so you know, I'll keep the product low. Period. This is exactly what I wanted. Blend right below the line. The reason why I'm doing this with the big brush right now is because it's gonna be quicker, and I'm also trying to be in bed by midnight, and like I said, now it's 9:50, and yeah, I have really high hopes and I believe in myself, but girl, by midnight, hopefully. Look at this pulled. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, this is everything I've ever wanted in life. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. The drag queens, they know what they're doing. Uh-huh. Oh, wow. I can already feel the dryness installing itself. It's okay. You're gonna do your skincare routine right after. Drag Race, how, like, they had those, like, mini challenges where they had to get ready so goddamn quick. Like, girl, when I do my normal makeup, it takes me 2 hours. That's why I'm being really hopeful right now that I will finish. Okay, Coralie, stop doing this. You're gonna dry the hell out of your under eye. Oh my god, I can feel the moisture being sucked out from under my eyes. Y'all heard freaking Tory Lanez shot Megan Thee Stallion? Like, we knew because she wasn't saying anything, so we all knew something was up. Like, I was like, girl, you're real cute and everything trying to protect this trash man, but we kind of all know what's going on. So I knew he had shot her. But hearing her say it just makes me more upset. For bronzer, we're going to take the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. And I'm going to take the two deepest shades right here. They're really dark, actually. And I'm just going to hit it. We're just going to hit it right here. Woohoo! I remember at one point, like, I watched a Trixie Mattel video, was it? And she was like, y'all are too shy when you're doing, like, recreations of my looks. And I'm obviously not doing Miss Trixie. Maybe I should do Miss Trixie for Halloween. That'd be cool. Trixie was like, y'all are going way too, like, y'all are not going hard enough when you're doing my looks. And I mean, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I feel like drag really is about going all out. Like, yeah, it's cool. You want to look pretty, quote unquote pretty. Oh my god, I forgot to bake my nose. Mi nariz. That's how you say nose in Spanish. It's a little crooked, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Ulta does ship to Canada now, but their shipping, girl, that is outrageous. Like, no. Like, no, I'm good just not having access to these brands, you know? The only reason why I'm just putting powder is because we're gonna go in with the eyeshadow, and I really just cannot afford Fallout right now. This powder tastes so good. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna do brows off camera because I might cry, honestly, just being honest. Guys, verdict, it's not bad. We're gonna kind of have to be a little careful because I don't want to get any fallout. I think I'm gonna do a sunset look because I feel like that's what I do best. I'm going to take my Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm gonna take the shade right here. I don't know her name, something you're gonna have to stick with me through. So we're gonna kind of create the crease right here. I'm not really used to doing my eyes with my foundation on, so I usually get a chance to wipe anything that's giving me trouble. But yeah, like I do believe in my artistic abilities, but I feel like with something, when you do something you've never done before, you always are a little apprehensive towards whether or not you're gonna be good at it. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm having fun, you know? So even if this doesn't turn out like the best, at least I'm really enjoying myself, and I feel like that's it's kind of like the only thing you can ask for. But yeah, so I'm going to take this shade right here, the pink. If the shade names are not written on the palette, I just don't remember them, and that is really like regardless of eyeshadow palette, regardless of any brand. But you know, I also kind of understand that this is Morphe's format, and the way they format their eyeshadow, it's rare that names are written underneath, you know? Like some of the latest eyeshadows they've released, yeah, but in general, no. You know what? It's blending pretty nice over the brow cover, even though the brow cover is a little trash. Like there's so many holes in this brow cover. Like I said, my glue wasn't really emollient, and I tried to put a little bit of water. It didn't help for shit. So yeah, need to get yourself a new glue stick, Coralie. I don't even wear makeup. What is makeup? All these girls be doing so much foundation, you know, eyeshadow and all that. I just stay natural. I don't do any of that. None of that. Ew, makeup, so stinky. They don't say that, but this is giving very much how to wear makeup in a godly way manner. And then I'm going to take the shade Yellow. I don't think that's the name. I forgot exactly what I've been wanting. Is it me, or I feel like this is so much easier than regular eyeshadow? Is it because I have so much more space where I can be a little reckless? Maybe. I think I will be in bed by midnight. This is great. We're almost done, technically. Like, girl, the brows and the brow cover, that was the hard part. This is the fun part. This is the part where you get to enjoy yourself, you know, create. And what I love is that everything you do is just much more extravagant. I love eyeshadow. So you're telling me I'm having more place to put on my eyeshadow and I'm gonna be mad about it? Like, no, I'm so happy. Now I see why the drag queens shave their eyebrows. Like, it literally shortens the routine by like so much. Like, it took me 30 minutes to get my brows laid, and they're not even laid nice. So yeah, drag queens, shout out to you. The other thing is, I don't own like the drag queen lashes. You know what I mean? Like was it the 301s, 307, 306, 309? It's 30 something. The drag lashes, I don't own them. So I was like, that's rough. I'm going to take this blue shade right here, the shimmery blue right here. I'm gonna pack it onto my carved lid. It's going to be my lid shade. Why am I being weird? Like, girl, please, you know exactly what you're doing. Like, yes, this is what I wanted. Now, obviously I didn't put anything here yet, and I'm going to do that. Worry not, you know? Oh my god, tell the girls I'm coming for their gigs. Aim for the stars, baby. Period. 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 As you should. Oh my god, how much eyeliner do y'all think drag queens run through every like month? Maybe it's not even. Maybe it's Maybelline. Drag queens have created so many of the makeup trends we are so fond of nowadays that you literally cannot deny. Like, you cannot deny. I'm gonna fill this part with purple eyeshadow, y'all, don't worry. For blush, I'm going to take the Catrice, I'm sorry, I was looking at myself. For blush, I'm going to take the Catrice X Amon blush palette, and we're gonna mix the shades Shisha and Alexandria. These blushes are really pigmented, and usually I tread lightly, but we're gonna use this to our advantage this week because we need a little bit of pigment, you know, extra pigment. I'm already blush heavy, so this is great for me, you know? It's honestly just fulfilling the fantasy. I'm gonna take a mixture of Conceited and Illuminati by Miss Artist Couture, and then we're gonna, you know, we're gonna give the cheekbones a moment. This is what the girls deserve. So we're gonna take Illuminati, the lightest shade, and I'm just gonna pinch it right here. I genuinely don't really know how to do that one thing they do, the drag queens do, so I'm just gonna. It's so on even. I'm gonna fill in the empty part with white. The camera's gonna cut off. I'm sorry, y'all. You're probably like, girl, what happened? You were gone for 2 seconds. Actually, I ended up finding a way to make like lashes kind of work. I don't have anything for the bottom, so I just drew like 3 little lashes, like animated lashes. I don't know, but I put basically, I have 2 pairs of lashes on and they're really not sitting in my lash line, but I feel like they're giving me definitely they're giving me better than if I just had put like 1 simple pair of lashes. So basically now we're going to do the lip. For the lip we're going to go nude. It's going to be the NYX Suede lip liner in Code Brew. I basically overline my lips on a daily basis. Like, we're obviously gonna do more than what I usually do, but oh my god. Yeah, I'm giving Kim Possible, aren't I? Oh wait, we overlined the bottom lip as well. The bottom lip, I'm going to take the NYX Abu Dhabi Soft Matte Lip Cream. Because it has a soft matte look, so it's gonna further. Coralie, is that it? Oh my god, we finished at 11. I'm so proud of myself, you guys. This is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. This was really fun for me to do. You guys know I like any type of creative makeup. Like, I like to do really big makeup. Actually, I'm the kind of person, for me, you know, it's the more the merrier, and I'm really surprised that this turned out as good as it did. I'm not going to lie. I was really worried about the brow cover, and yes, it's not perfect, but it, like, looking at myself, I feel like you know it's a drag look. You know what I mean? Hopefully. Imagine people look at me, they're like, no, this, what is this? And I did this within 2 hours, bro. I am good. I did not know I was this good. I'm good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel. If you have any ideas for crazy creative looks, please comment them in the comment section down below. I love makeup. It's truly the thing that I love the most. And today was really fun. Today was very free, fun. You know, I don't have to go anywhere after this. Like, I'm just chill at home. And the result is actually way better than I expected and anticipated. So, you know, leave your recommendations in the comment section down below, and maybe we'll find something new that we can do next time. You know, this is cool. I feel good. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, such as Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I'll have all the links in the description box down below, so you guys can easily follow me on there. If you subscribe to this channel, you will be able to draw brows on paper or on your face from nothing. From a blank canvas, you'll be able to draw brows on. I feel like these brows are so good. This one, well, they're not so good. Let me not exaggerate. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video, or else you will not acquire the power to draw their eyebrows on. I'm sorry, I don't make the rules, I'm just a messenger.